Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your device has power and internet, and you're signed into the updated Find My Device app. Tap Sign In and choose the account you use for device recovery. This links your devices. Once done, grant location and background permissions so the service can report position continuously. You do this now because without permissions, the app cannot locate the device, and signing in ties tracking to your secure account. Now you pick the device in the app to view its live location on the map and read the last seen timestamp. Use Play Sound to find a nearby phone or choose Lock to secure it with a message and contact number. Erase is last resort because it removes tracking. Make sure to check location history for movement clues and toggle accuracy settings if updates seem sparse. This improves precision by using Wi-Fi and cellular data together. To finish, verify device status and enable critical notifications so you get alerts for activity and recovery attempts. If the device won't appear, re-sign into the app and toggle location services and background data. That often restores visibility. If you still can't locate it, use your recovery contact or report the device to authorities for theft cases. One quick tip: reboot the target device remotely if possible. This can
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.